Hey YouTube, it's Lai back at it again with another beauty tutorial. Today I want to show you my contour look. So it's definitely a cute and sweet, simple look. See, my cheeks are super structured and it looks so beautiful. Right now I'm going to go ahead and show you my steps on how to get this look. It's super simple. I'll be showing you all the products that I use for this beauty tutorial.